about 4:40 in the morning, and we're getting some light rain right now, along with some thunder and lightning. As a little storm cell passes by, we're just getting skimmed by these. The rail action starts later on today. That's when we're gonna get the real goodies. But right now, just the drizzly precipitation falling right now. We have some thunder showers passing by. One such thunder cell passing over Gilbert right now. Another one passing to my south. Some light rain. A little bit of lightning. Nothing major whatsoever. But it's beginning. Low pressure's finally gained enough moisture, getting up enough moisture to get some showers and thunderstorms going. And it's looking pretty good right now. Some light rain falling. Alright, talk to y'all later.